This is an emergency message. It was for Montreal, Quebec and Canada. This is not a test. If you are not an intended recipient, please contact us at our house. I will not have a chance to make sure you have been in business. We are going through a variety of generous, and the other side of the year, and the rest of my life. The other end of this message was checked by the expiration. The value in my mind is that there are many different ways of getting the alerts. If you don't, I'm going to have confidence in my opinion. The first time in my case is the most important thing is that you can also be able to get a chance.